Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about something that is a bit of an issue that I ran into when I first started with Cricut. Let's load up a couple of designs and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we'll do these three here. And just for the sake of screen size, we'll lower them down a little bit so we can see a little bit better. And then because they're vectors, we're going to go ahead and attach them so that they don't move around when we hit make it. So I've got all three of these designs here that I want to go ahead and load onto the mat and get ready to cut. And I'm going to be cutting it all using the same color, so we can just use one mat because they're small designs, right? But when I go to make it, it's prompting me to use three separate mats. Why is that? How can we get them all to one? Let me show you. So what's actually happening here is Cricut thinks that these are three separate colors, and therefore you're going to be using different material for each of the designs. So all we need to do is just make them all the same color. So let's select all, and you'll see up here there's a question mark, and that means there's multiple colors. And you'll see three different colors here. Let's just select one of them and go back, make it, and now all three are on one mat, which is perfect. Now, another issue that you can run into is if you've got a certain design type. So let's go ahead and insert this guy right here. So we've got him ready to go. We hit make it, but it puts this guy on a white background sheet. And that's because he was accidentally saved as a print then cut image. So you'll have to either resave this image as a cut only image, or you can go in here and where it says fill, hit no fill and change the color to the black. Make sure that they're all three the same color. Hit make it. And now it's ready to be cut as a vinyl piece rather than a print and cut sticker. It's pretty simple. If you have any other advice on fixing these issues here, please let me know. I'd love to hear it. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. Bye.